Hello dear friends, I Dr. Shamsher Singh welcome you all on my YouTube channel Pharma Learning. Today I will discuss with you about one of the practical which is a open field test apparatus. This practical is used in pharmacological laboratory in case of B Pharm, M Pharm as well as for the research students. So in this practical I will discuss with you that what is the utilization of open field test apparatus in the experimental laboratory, how you can use, what are the different parameters that you can note down, and how it can be used in case of rodents, that is for the mice as well as for the rats. So firstly you will see that this is a open field. So what it mean? It is a box like apparatus which is rectangular and it is having a 100 centimeter length, 100 centimeter width, and with the wall height, this is the wall of apparatus which is 40 centimeter. So internally this apparatus is divided into 25 boxes, rectangular boxes. So that means if you will see, there will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Likely you will see there are 25 boxes in which from the internal side, sometime you can see it is labeled with some colors, like this could be a black, this could be a white, or you can number them as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. So you can see this apparatus, that this apparatus centrally is divided into a 25 rectangular boxes. This length of the apparatus is 100 centimeter, width of apparatus is 100 centimeter, and the wall length of apparatus is 40 centimeter. So basically for which purpose this apparatus or this practical is conducted? This practical is used to check the anxiety like behavior as well as to check the locomotor activity whenever you expose the animal toward the open field, that is called as a exploratory, you can say, condition, where you will check the exploratory this particular movement of the animals. So basically in this case what you will analyze, you will analyze 2 to 3 things. That means I will discuss with you that why this practical is performed in case of anxiety, in case of Parkinson disease, in case of traumatic brain injury and some other neurological disorders. So basically this is a manual instrument. Manual mean you can directly analyze the activity of the animal by standing there with your eyes, naked eyes. But the second case, you can apply here one of the camera, you can apply one of the web camera here. That means this is the apparatus, you will keep a web camera here so that it will easily analyze or evaluate the activity of the animals. So in this case webcam, it is very useful because in that case there will be no any kind of the noise, there will be no any kind of the disturbance, so that the animal activity will be altered or animal activity will be disturbed. So I will tell you how you will do this. This is particularly, this is the experimental design. In case of B Pharm and M Pharm student, what you can do, you just take a 2 group of animal. That means you will take a 2 group. One will be a control and another will be a treatment group. So in case of B Pharm, you will check the locomotor activity of the animal. So locomotor mean you can check the effect of any drug XYZ. I will give you example that which drug effect you can analyze. Suppose if you want to check the effect of a diazepam, and in case of diazepam, suppose if you will give a diazepam of 4 mg per kg intraperitoneal to the visitor rat, or you are giving to the mice. So drug selection will be your, if you want to check the any anti-anxiety or locomotor activity of any drug. Suppose if any drug will reduce the level of anxiety, the locomotor activity will be increased. And on the other side, if you will do any kind of disease induction, like if you are inducing anxiety like behavior in the animal, or you are using a specific model where the activity of animal will be less in the central arena, and the animal will be walk in the peripheral area of the apparatus, open field apparatus. So in case of B form, what you can do, suppose this is a normal animal, you are not giving anything to the animal, but this is a treatment animal in which you are inducing anxiety. Firstly, anxiety can be induced by any of the physical things, likely you are disturbing animal, you are exposing the animal toward the heat, or you are exposing the animal toward the coldness, or you are applying any kind of clip over the tail for few minutes. So these are the stimuli where you will disturb the animal and you will produce anxiety like behavior. Some other models are there by which some chemicals they can be used, CMPP induce anxiety like behavior. Some of the chemicals can also be used. So in case of treatment, firstly you will induce anxiety, or if you are working on Parkinson, you will induce MPTP or any toxin induced Parkinson, or if you are working on TBI, you will create a traumatic injury over the head of the animal. Afterward, what you will see, you will check the anxiety. So what the anxiety you will check here, you will firstly keep the control animal in the open field. Now how you will do the selection of animal? The first thing is that whenever you want to do, firstly you will select some of the healthy animal and you will weight them. You will analyze their body weight by using any of the balance, because body weight is necessary. Suppose if you want to give any dose of drug in mg per kg, then you should calculate firstly the body weight and the suppose animals, then you will divide into a 2 groups or a 3 groups as per your protocol or as per your intervention. Suppose अगर आप B form M form के लिए करते हैं, then you will divide animal only in 2 groups, control and treatment, control or a disease. Now simply when you place a control animal, it will show a 3 type of activity. I will tell you. The first activity you will see number of box cross, and the second activity will be number of rearing, and third will be number of grooming. So you will check the grooming, rearing and box cross in the 5 minutes. The total cut off time is 5 minutes. So what you will do here, I will tell you that you will check the behavior evaluation, that is number of a box cross, as well as you will check the number of rearing. So in the box cross, what you will do firstly is, if you are selecting a control animal, you will place it in the central arena of the this particular apparatus. आप इसको क्या करेंगे, सेंटर में एनिमल को रख देंगे. देन यू विल चेक कि एनिमल ने कितने बॉक्स क्रॉस किए 5 मिनट में. जहाँ उसको आप देखोगे कितनी बार रेयरिंग की. रेयरिंग मीन व्हेन एवर द एनिमल विल स्टैंड अप बाय कीपिंग द फ्रंट, दैट मीन फोर लिंक टूवर्ड द अपर साइड. सो एनिमल ने वॉल के साथ कितनी बार स्टैंड किया, you will check the rearing. And grooming, that mean whenever the animal will do the behavior where you can see the animal will want to keep the front paw toward the nose side, so this is called as a grooming. So you will check this for a 5 minute. Firstly you will check the number of box cross, secondly you will check the rearing, and thirdly you will check the grooming. All the activity you will keep in a one of the table, that I will show you how you will prepare a table. Suppose this is a table. If you are taking a normal and disease, this practical you can perform for B form or a M form practical level. But if you are doing for research work, then you will divide your animal as per your protocol. Suppose for example I have mentioned here, this is a table in which I have taken a normal control group, disease control group. That means disease has been induced, either I induced the Parkinson disease, either induced the TBI, traumatic brain injury, or either induced the anxiety. This is a intervention, that means you are using any dose, low dose, medium dose, high dose, and this is a standard group last if you are taking the standard group. So what you will do here, you will check the number of box cross or a covered per minute, per 5 minutes, number of rearing per 5 minutes and number of grooming per 5 minutes. So suppose this is the example I have analyzed, that when I have seen in the camera, if you are recording in the camera, then you will check your recording in your laptop. In your laptop you will see that animal had cross number of box, तो दैट बॉक्स यू विल कैलकुलेट, आप अपनी कॉपी पे उसको कैलकुलेट करें. सपोज एनिमल ने 1 बॉक्स क्रॉस किया, 2 किया, 3 किया, 4 किया, 5 किया, लाइक दैट you will calculate. Suppose this is the example that animal had crossed 63 box per 5 minutes and this animal control had crossed 17 time he do the rearing and this is the grooming. Suppose this is the rough data I have put here, but you will actually see that what will happen in the normal control group, what will happen in the disease control group, because in case of disease control group animal will show a less number of box cross, animal can show a more time rearing, or animal will show a less time rearing or grooming. So it depends upon your type of toxin which you are using, but you have to calculate all these things in all the groups. At the last, it is very important that you should know, suppose if you this practical, you are having your protocol of 14 days or 28 days or 40 days. Suppose you have set your protocol for 21 days, first day, 7 day, 14 day and 21 day, so long it can be 40 day as per your choice. So I have done the open field at the initial level, open field at the 7 day, open field at the 14 day and open field at the 20 day. Suppose accordingly. So what you will do it 2 times reading and then you will get a mean of that particular thing. तो आप उसका मीन कैलकुलेट करें and from the mean on the 4 days interval you will apply your statistical analysis. So in the stat it will be clear to you that whether our drug had improved that particular number of box cross, that means locomotor activity or not. So this open field apparatus which I have shown you here, this is very useful apparatus because this you can prepare or construct at your own laboratory, because it can be by using wood or it can be by using some other material, and this number of lining you can draw by using any kind of a marker or using any paint. So this is very simple apparatus that you can construct in your lab and you can perform the open field activity, locomotor activity for many of the disorder, Parkinson disease, anti-anxiety drug, and as well as in traumatic brain injury and in some other disorder. So in this practical I will conclude that this is a basic behavior instrument which is used to check the level of anxiety, which is used to check the locomotor activity, because locomotor activity is reduced in Parkinson in rodents, as well as to check the locomotor activity in traumatic brain injury, which is reduced in case of disease group in the rodents. So you can easily analyze the efficacy of your drug and this apparatus will be very beneficial to you. So this is the practical series which I will continuously share with you. So you like, share and subscribe this Pharma Learning channel. You all are welcome and thank you very much.